A commercial fire alarm system isn't just a safety feature. For most businesses, it's a legal requirement. It's your first line of defense, protecting people, property, and your business if the worst ever happens. In the UK, commercial fire alarm systems typically cost between £1,500 and £10,000, depending on the size, layout, and fire risk of your building. Larger or higher risk premises often need more advanced systems, with additional detectors, addressable panels, or integration with other safety systems. Commercial systems must meet strict British standards. Installing the wrong system or installing it incorrectly can lead to non-compliance and insurance issues. At Protive Security, we design fire alarm systems that are compliant, reliable, and right